Hello, everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate 51 single-chip microcomputer controls Youyeetoo light intensity sensor module. Use this module to measure light intensity to perform related functions. The Youyeetoo module is a 16-bit learning font sensor based on the IC link. The module mainly uses the BH1750 for font learning, core of the light intensity measurement chip, and some peripheral drive circuits. Schematic diagram of Youyeetoo light intensity transmission module. Since Youyeetoo accepts the IC communication protocol, first you must implement an communication program, or using Youyeetoo, then obtain simple training data according to the control instructions of the BH1750 chip, then enter the program part. First, determine the appropriate contacts. The contacts P16 and P17 microcontroller are practical, since the single-chip microcomputer 51 doesn't support the IC controller. First, it's necessary to stimulate the program. These are the function definitions for the simulator. After simulating the IC program, you can directly collect and receive data, read in data and register related functions.
Specific simulation function content.
Access to data. In the end, return the function value to determine. Define a variable in the main function to store the lighting value. Performance of higher light intensity operations. Let's look at the result. Use the flashlight of the mobile phone to increase the light intensity to see the change of the motor, and the motor reverses. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below.